Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number E1053P. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ingot silver in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Speed gauges, again only 18,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, dual zone automatic temperature control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for dual zone temperature control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Escape, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.